Something did a whisper. Something did it. But she just need proper grooming.
Alright, bossy. Your word or your word, you know.
Me tell her, so shepherd should have turned her in a frog. So she in her feelings. Whisper, you remember when we did on our way to the airport? I tell you, say it looked like one car did follow we?
Yeah. What one?
I don't know, but something just still feel. Brother, you're relentless, you know, man. Whisper, give me a few. May I call you back here?
Alright, bossy. We connect.
Yes, Mr. Sanjus.
Angie, I never tell you something I need to talk to you.
Hey, hold on there. I don't think I appreciate the tone where you talk to me, you know. It sounds very demanding. I'm not supposed to be even talking to you.
Are you sure about that, Angie?
I'm positive.
Have you heard about Michelle?
If you're referring to Michelle Wallace, wife of Marcus Wallace, yes, I have.
Are you aware that you could be listed as a suspect?
Really? How? Please inform me.
Angie, we both know how.
No, I don't. Tell me.
You falsely arrested this woman and even assaulted her. Then a week later she dies. Isn't that suspicious?
You know what is disappointing, Aaron? Is that I actually wasted a part of my life caring about you. And you still didn't even know me.
Angie, are you actually aware that I'm looking out for you?
Aaron, if you stop talking now, maybe I still have some respect for you. Your girlfriend turns up dead, and you're insinuating that I may have something to do with it? So what you're really saying is that I would have hurt her out of jealousy over you, right? You're a real piece of work.
Angie, the fact of the matter is...
No, hold on. Let's talk about the facts of the matter. I don't have to speak to you. As a matter of fact, I shouldn't even be talking to you unless I want to share a cell with you.
Angie, what are you talking about?
You're quick for talk about what I did and how many rules I broke, Aaron. What about you? You, the prosecutor, had a meeting with a client that you would more than likely would have to put away. That, my friend, could have you disbarred and in prison. What a disgrace that would be. I see I have your full attention now. Aaron, let's get it straight. I had nothing to do with this woman's passing. I know because you're grieving and you're not thinking rationally now, so everything is all jumbled. But after you've completed your mourning and start thinking more clearly, ask yourself this one question. You believe that I would really do something to Miss Wallace? Ask yourself. I've got to go. Oh, and for what it's worth, my condolences.